Right guys, what we have here is the electronic position indicating radio beacon. So in the flash, so since we have two types of transmission, we have the Inmarsat and this one is Cospa Sarsat. Since we are in Mediterranean, so I believe that Cospa Sarsat is more effective here because they are using this one. Okay, so what happens when this EPIRB is activated is that it sends signals through this satellite, the Cospa Sarsat satellite, and then this Cospa Sarsat satellite will going to send a distress alert to the nearest or to the coast stations, and these coast stations were going to alert the vessels within the vicinity of the distress vessel, and then rescue will come. Okay, so this EPIRB is a mandatory requirement of also of SOLAS, no? So I believe chapter 3, I guess chapter 3 of SOLAS, if I'm not mistaken. So this is emergency position indicating radio beacon or EPIRB.